is food safety, and number 2 is energy reduction. With our new Tubex scale, I think compared to previous models, we made a very big progress. The scale has a very nice design, and all parts in product contact are built in stainless steel. Food safety. As I mentioned before, food safety was really one of the key issues on previous models, or also what we realized on competitive models. The complete scale is built in stainless steel, and also we have opening doors for access. Previous machines also we had, for example, air valves to have air circulation inside, but the issue was always that the air was coming in, but also the dust was coming out. So always it was not so clean in that area. This issue we have also solved now with this model. The machine is completely closed, no dust can come out, and the machine is connected to the central aspiration system. Previous we had always the problem with this issue that the aspiration air had an influence on the tolerance of the scale there. The scale was not accurate, but nowadays with a new sensor technology we are able to solve that problem internally with an electronic, so we can really completely close the scale. Also, the sealing material what we have inside has a blue color, it's not anymore a white color, so if a part of the sealing falls in the wheat flour, you can see it. When our R&D guys came up and presented this machine the first time to our sales managers, to us technologists, they say, by the way, we reduce 95% energy. Everybody was laughing, nobody could believe that. How can you save 95% energy? If we look what energy we need on the way up, on the previous models we had the scale electronic with the display and the pneumatic cylinders for open the feed gate and for open the outlet gates. Really, the compressed air is 95% of the energy cost what we have on that scale. So our designers, they were looking for new available solution in the market, what is possible, and actually we replaced the pneumatic cylinders with some electronic 24-volt motors. So we don't need any huge power connection, we can use the same electric connection like the display has, and we can connect the outlet flaps to it. Also, these motors, the drive units, what you see here on the side, we have beside it, behind the electronic part, you see some small batteries. So we have actually a system integrated in the scale. You can compare it with Formula 1, the CARE system, or the Formula 1. So as soon as we open the flaps of the scale, the flaps go down and they create some energy. And we save this energy in the batteries and use it to close the flaps. So like this, we are really able to go over 95% down with the electricity. Also, the control, we developed a complete new control system for all the scales, but also all the future machines from Bühler, they will be executed with this new control unit to be able to have also in the future all data connections directly to an iPhone. You can visualize everything directly here, and also to communicate with modern control system as you hear in the previous presentation. Cost savings, I mentioned before, 95%. Over here, you can see a bit of overview how much compressed air are you consuming on the scale. And these values what we show here, so we have a small scale range, it's very little, so we say here it's the smaller scale is about 1,500 dollars per year. We have savings in compressed air. But if we go really to the big model, then we speak about 10,000 US dollars. So it's getting quite significant. Also, usually all the customers I visit, I come in the flour mills and I hear everywhere a little bit of air leakage from the compressor. So with these new machines, we really were able to get rid of the complete compressed air and reduce also, it's not only the energy, but also the installation cost, maintenance cost of the compressor, and so on. Easy to retrofit. The sizes of the scale are the same and the capacities. So with the older model, what we had 15 years now in the program, with the new machines we are able to take out the old machine and put in the new one-to-one. There is only minor adjustment of spouting necessary, but there is no modification required in the plant. The machine can be exchanged one-to-one. And also for new plants, there is no change in design. The range of product, we have the 40-liter scale, 80, 120, 160, 240, and 300. So the range of product is also the sizes, capacities, everything remain the same as we had originally.
Extremely precise, IoT ready, energy efficient, hygienic design. A precise measuring instrument can give you a competitive advantage for your food processing plant. Bühler's highly efficient Tubex hopper scale is a state-of-the-art weighing system.
So the goal was to come up with entirely new features, like we want to get rid of this compressed air. So energy consumption is a big amount of expenses you have to spend when you're running some scales, and in mills you have a lot of scales. Then sanitation should be improved.
With Tubex, you achieve the most accurate weighing of product at every point in the manufacturing and processing chain. Advanced electronics make its control panel easy to use, and it is fully IoT ready. It's not pneumatic, and that's unique. Tubex uses an electromagnetic drive system that only requires energy when it's in motion. This makes it 7 to 8 times more energy efficient than standard scales.
One main benefit is we get this kinetic energy back when we break the flaps or stopping the flaps, and some of this energy is stored in these so-called supercaps, and that was one of the main challenges we had to face.
With the new technology, the supercaps Bühler engineers succeeded in reducing energy consumption by up to 95%. Tubex is available in a variety of versions to meet individual capacity needs and requirements. It can therefore be implemented in many different processing chains, such as wheat, oats, rice, corn, or even in chocolate production. Tubex has a built-in differential pressure sensor. This makes outer air circulation pipes obsolete. To reach this goal, Bühler engineers developed a completely new control system.
We have 3 independent load cell converters, also to be more precise and get some more information out of the process. And as well, we have developed a new communication board for host system connection or IoT applications.
All these new features combined lead to a substantial reduction of maintenance costs. With openings for cleaning, maintenance is easy and efficient. The stainless steel and hygienic design of the Tubex guarantee the highest food safety standards. This was the first priority of the industrial designer involved in the project.
Für den optischen Betrachter oder für den Kunde ist es ganz wichtig, dass wir den Vertrauen schaffen. Die Maschine soll auch stabil wirken. Jetzt haben wir einen Schritt in der Befreiung von diesem Wagenbehälter optisch und inszenieren viel besser die Fallrichtung. Das Wichtige an einer Bühler-Maschine ist eben, dass das Produkt fließt von oben nach unten, aber diese Knoten so mit Kugelform gestaltet, sie wirken sehr stabil und sie sind vertrauenserweckend.
As a key player in the global food industry, Bühler invests in the future. It has defined 4 strategic focus areas to address in the long term: sustainability, nutrition, food safety, and digitalization. The Tubex combines these focus areas perfectly.
As we embrace digitalization, it's very important that we get accurate data on what happens in plants. one of the key pieces of information we need is product flows. And to get product flows, you need multiple pieces of equipment. And we're absolutely delighted to announce the Tubex, because the Tubex not only gives us the accurate data, but it requires 95% less energy in order to operate and give us this data than conventional weigh scales.
The Tubex is the weighing solution for complex production. It is fast, easy to use, cost-efficient, and tailored to your needs. Tubex meets all the requirements of today's and tomorrow's food processing plants.